What do you usually like to do in your free time?
Today has been quite good so far. I started the day with some exercise, which always helps me feel energized. I've been working on a few interesting projects at work, and I made some progress on a challenging task, which is always satisfying. Now, I'm enjoying this conversation with you, which is a nice way to wind down.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
In my free time, I enjoy reading books across different genres, from fiction to non-fiction, especially psychology and science fiction. I also like to go hiking or take long walks outdoors whenever I can. Cooking is another hobby of mine. Trying out new recipes and experimenting with flavors is something I find relaxing and enjoyable.
What's your favorite season of the year and why?
This weekend, I'm planning to visit a new art exhibition in town that I've heard great things about. I also want to catch up with some friends over brunch on Saturday. On Sunday, weather permitting, I might go for a hike in the nearby national park to unwind and enjoy nature.
Have you read any good books or seen any interesting movies lately?
My favourite season is autumn. I love the crisp air, the vibrant colours of the changing leaves and the cosy feeling of wearing sweaters and scarves. It's a season of transition and there's something nostalgic and calming about it for me.
What's your favorite type of cuisine or food?
Recently I read *Sapiens: A Brief History of Humankind* by Yuval Noah Harari, which was incredibly thought-provoking. It offers a fascinating perspective on the history and development of human societies. As for movies, I recently watched *Dune*, and I was impressed by its stunning visuals and the depth of its storytelling.
Do you prefer city life or living in the countryside?
I have a soft spot for Italian cuisine. The flavours are rich yet simple, and I love dishes like pasta carbonara, margherita pizza with a thin crust, and tiramisu for dessert. There's something comforting and satisfying about Italian food that I always enjoy.
If you could travel anywhere in the world, where would you go and why?
I appreciate aspects of both, but if I had to choose, I lean towards city life. I enjoy the convenience of having access to cultural events, diverse dining options, and the hustle and bustle of city living. At the same time, I do appreciate the tranquility and natural beauty of the countryside for short getaways or vacations. One place I've always wanted to visit is Japan. I'm fascinated by its blend of ancient traditions and modern innovation, its stunning landscapes, and its unique culture, from tea ceremonies to anime. Exploring cities like Tokyo and Kyoto and experiencing Japanese cuisine firsthand are high on my travel bucket list.
What's something on your bucket list that you'd really like to do?
One thing on my bucket list is to learn a new language fluently. I think being able to speak another language opens up new perspectives and opportunities for connection with people from different cultures. I've started learning Spanish recently, and I'm excited about the journey ahead.
How do you usually unwind and relax after a long day?
After a long day, I like to unwind by practicing mindfulness or meditation for a few minutes to clear my mind. I also enjoy listening to music, particularly instrumental or ambient genres, which helps me relax and create a calming atmosphere. Sometimes, I'll indulge in a good book or watch a movie that lets me escape into a different world for a while.